Nothing has officially announced that it will unveil the Phone 3a series in March 2025, hinting at multiple devices in the lineup. This suggests that the company might introduce successors to the Phone 2a and Phone 2a Plus, which were launched separately last year. To build anticipation, Nothing has shared a teaser video of the Phone 3a on X, revealing glimpses of the upcoming device's design. The teaser showcases elements of the phone's back panel, featuring Nothing's signature transparent aesthetic and a horizontally stacked camera module, similar to the Phone 2a. However, the design appears to incorporate a larger camera module, hinting at a possible triple-camera setup. Nothing recently shared work-in-progress photos, revealing design sketches that hint at the phone's rear panel. The latest teaser suggests that the Nothing Phone 3 will retain the glyph interface. According to Leakster Gadget Bits, the Phone 3a series is expected to feature a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies. Performance-wise, the device is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. However, some analysts suggest that Nothing should consider the Snapdragon 8 Gen series for a more competitive edge, as the 7 Gen 3 is already aging. In addition to the official teaser, hands-on images of the Nothing Phone 3a have been leaked. A tech tipster, Sanju Choudhary, shared an image on his X account showing the device encased in a heavy-duty cover designed to keep its design hidden. Despite the cover, it was evident that this would be the first Nothing handset with 3 rear cameras. The smartphone is also likely to support a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired charging, and Android 15-based Nothing OS 3.1. Furthermore, 2 new Nothing smartphones have reportedly been spotted on the BIS certification platform under the code names A059 and A059P, indicating that the Phone 3a series could include 2 different models. According to Android Authority, Nothing is set to launch 2 new smartphones: the Nothing Phone 3a 5G and Nothing Phone 3a Pro 5G. Contrary to earlier rumors, the Pro variant will not carry the Plus moniker. The Phone 3a 5G will come in 2 variants, one with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and another with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Meanwhile, the Pro 5G will be available in a single configuration, featuring 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Both phones will be offered in 2 color options. The Phone, the 3a 5G, will come in black and white, while the Pro model will be available in black and gray. Interestingly, tipster Yogesh Brar claims that Nothing has 3 smartphones set to launch before the Nothing Phone 3. One of these devices is confirmed to debut on March 4th. Those waiting for the flagship release may have to wait a bit longer. The device is expected to be priced competitively, with rumors suggesting an estimated price of $450 to $500. Are you excited about the launch? Share your thoughts in the comments below.